Alright, so it's your girl MzDDollars. I'm back with a new video. As you can see, my hair is headed. I look a hot mess. Close up. It's been over a month. Over a month. You see this? So we going from busted to bae. Okay, give me about 3 hours. Transformation begins now. So apparently this is the face you make when you have no clue what to do to your hair. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna try to part it down the middle. Yeah, but that wasn't working. Them roots is thick. So I'm gonna comb it. Oh yeah, she feeling good too. Alright now, calm down, calm down, calm down. Get back to business. Massaging that scalp, girl. I'm coming through that head. But wait, that part ain't straight, sis. We gotta straighten that part. This is about the best I can do right now, ma'am. So we're just gonna take this and we're gonna put it into 2 sections at the top. And also I'm gonna put it in a ponytail in the back so we can cornrow this top section. Yeah, a little simple style. Y'all will get the gist. Just keep on watching. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm corn rolling, or is it corn rolling? Y'all let me know in that comment box down below. So I'm putting a corn row in the side of my head, but mind you, this is not a tutorial. So if you do need a tutorial, please let me know that as well. Oh yeah, and don't forget, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe while you're at it. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I have coming up. As you can see, I'm just braiding this braid all the way down to the end. And then you already know what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So I'll be back with 2 braids, sis. Okay, I'm over here looking like somebody gladiator, sis, but it's all good. We're gonna take these goodies, Barbie pins, and we're gonna pin that mud back. And then we're gonna put her in a little side little ponytail. You know how y'all be doing with them extensions and stuff, but sis, I ain't got none. I don't even know how to work all that. So we just gonna take my hair and we gonna put it in this side ponytail. Okay, now we not done. We not done. Y'all already know what comes next. Them baby hairs, honey, lay down to the side. Now if you need a baby hair tutorial, also let me know in the description box. Not the description box, the comment box. Y'all know what I mean. Tie her up and let's get ready to do this face. So I'm not gonna talk too much as far as me doing my face because I do have an everyday beat tutorial on my page. I will link it in the cards. It'll be up here. But you see, I'm using witch hazel to clean my face and also Pond's to moisturize. So yeah, y'all get into this video while y'all groove to a little music, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright. So all products will be listed in the description box. Y'all don't come talking about some, girl, what was that? What was this? What was that? Y'all better read that description box. It's all in there. Hey, Did you like, subscribe, and hit that bell yet? Please make sure you do so. It help your girl out. Because you already know, if it ain't about dollars, it don't make sense, baby. Wait, pause. Y'all see this? Your girl looking casket ready. But y'all know me, so trust the process. Yes, girl, them lashes are everything from Kharismatic Designs. Link in the description. Voila! Magic, girl. Y'all, wait for this next clip.